These are just some of the products we offer to install at your home or office. Access points for faster Wi-Fi speeds. Enterprise switches, any kind of switch. And these switches will improve your network and your security depending on which one you get. Because if you get these switches, you can hook up cameras, door access, and computers and whatever you need. This is what it would probably be running off of, this little device, so you have to have one of these in order to keep it going. These are just some of the cameras we could install into your home or office to protect it. Video recorders, doorbells. Now these are the door access systems to allow an electronic strike plate, which will electronically lock your door so you don't have to use a deadbolt anymore. You just keep the door as is. Install an electronic system that we install, like one of these kits. And all you gotta do is put a key card to it, and it opens and closes behind you, locks. You can do as many doors as you need.